Alright, hello, welcome back. Fuck. I don't like that intro. Let's paint. Today I'm gonna be painting over some painting that I made a while ago. I'm not really happy with it, so I went ahead and gessoed over it. Just regular gesso. You know it's good gesso if it smells like vinegar. Just made that up. Anyway, got some black paint with silicone, white, color shift red, purple, and my good silver. So we're just gonna use a little cup. It's got some dried paint in it. Maybe we might use it. That's not fully agreed upon at the current moment. And just standard palette knife, a number 3. I don't know what that means. I'm pretty sure it has something to do with the shape and length of the knife bit itself, but I have no idea. So got all our paint on there, and what we're gonna do now is hit it with a little bit of black paint with silicone in it, and then we're going to paint it around using my palette knife. I did end up using the cup to put my palette knife in off to the side over here, so don't worry about that. The cup got used. So we're looking pretty good. We got some cells starting to pop up. I'm gonna go ahead, hit this with that propane, just very lightly. Not trying to burn anything. Then we'll sort of move this around. Keep these sort of horizontal lines. I do need it to run. Can it run all the way that way? This the sides there. Down this way. And, here we go. Alright. Let's clean these sides up. Here's a quick close-up while it's still wet. Really like this spot in here. It'll focus a little bit. Cool.